Ganju Consultant. In this video, I want to talk about promises. If you give somebody a promise, always please fulfill it, because to me, I believe a promise is a debt. And when you promise somebody something, let me tell you, it goes to the heart, and especially if it's something which you knew very well, it is something which that person really, really needed. So for the purpose of keeping good relationship with people, if you promise something to somebody, please always fulfill it. And I even tell men, if you promise a girl you'll marry her, make sure you marry her, because that is a promise and you should fulfill it. Because if you don't keep a promise, it means you are a liar. And a liar is a person who can never be trusted. So for heaven's sake, always keep your promises and also keep your words. Because promises goes a long way, at least to cement good relationship. But very few people keep promises. And especially when it comes to issues of money. You read somebody some money, and he promises you, I'll pay you at the end of the month when I get paid. And now it becomes war. And it's not fair. Please, if you promise somebody that you do something on a certain date, make sure you keep the promise, because keeping the promise shows your integrity and especially your maturity.